Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting performance cars of the modern era, the 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse. This beast is not just another sports car, it's a symbol of raw American muscle fused with modern technology and performance precision. The Mustang itself is an iconic name that dates back to 1964, invented by the Ford Motor Company as a stylish, affordable sports car that would appeal to a younger generation. Over the decades, it has evolved, and now in 2026, the Dark Horse edition represents the most track-focused, street-legal Mustang ever built. The 2026 Mustang Dark Horse is proudly manufactured in the United States and is most commonly used and sold in North America, particularly in the US, where muscle cars still have a huge fan base. However, interest in the Dark Horse has grown globally, especially in markets like Canada, Australia, and parts of Europe where high-performance vehicles are embraced by enthusiasts. In terms of popularity, the Dark Horse stands out because it's the first new performance nameplate in the Mustang lineup in over 2 decades. It's quickly gaining a reputation as a future classic, admired for its bold design, aggressive stance, and exclusive features that distinguish it from other Mustangs. Ford has created a buzz by limiting its production, which makes it even more desirable among collectors and car enthusiasts. Under the hood, the 2026 Dark Horse boasts a 5.0-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine that pumps out an impressive 500 horsepower. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 10-speed automatic transmission, it delivers thrilling acceleration and sharp, responsive handling. Performance-wise, this Mustang is built for both the road and the track, offering upgraded suspension, improved cooling systems, and enhanced braking capabilities for peak performance during high-speed driving. Fuel efficiency isn't its strongest point, but that's expected in a car built for performance. The Dark Horse averages around 15 miles per gallon in the city and 24 on the highway, which is typical for a car in this category. Drivers aren't buying it for fuel savings, they're investing in a pure driving experience. The Dark Horse shines with its capabilities. It features a performance-tuned chassis, active exhaust system, Magnaride adaptive dampers, and optional carbon fiber wheels. Inside, it's packed with high-tech upgrades like a fully digital instrument cluster, Sync 4 infotainment system, premium materials, and optional Recaro sport seats that add to its race-inspired interior. One of the key selling points is its balance between everyday drivability and track-ready performance. It allows enthusiasts to enjoy a thrilling drive without sacrificing modern comforts and tech. As for price, the 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse starts around $59,000, depending on options and trim. While not cheap, it offers tremendous value compared to many other high-performance cars in its league. So, if you're looking for a car that embodies speed, heritage, innovation, and aggressive styling, the 2026 Ford Mustang Dark Horse is a top contender. It's not just a car, it's a statement of performance and passion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive insights.